egbu na-adụghị ese anyị achọkwa ha ọzọ egbuo ha adọrọ ahụ ndị ha n'okpere dịka ọ dị ugbu a ha ka na-aga akụkọ ndị egburu n'ala Imo steeti anyị achọghị ihe dị ụtọ ọzọ n'ala Igbo nke na-eme n'ala ọma bụrụ ọtụtụ ụmụnne anyị anakwaghị enwe ohere ọma ịgafe ụzọ ebe ha chọrọ ịga ma ndị na-achọ ịla obodo nke aka ha anaghị enwekwa ohere n'ihi na ndị nụ na ụzọ ndị nụchi ụzọ n'ala ọkwa na-aba nụchere ha ụzọ anyị achọkwa ya chọrọ ka gọọmenti Abia steeti lebara ya anya udo chia na Abia steeti gaa n'iru. Igbo youth, we say no to killing. Igbo youth, we say no to killing. Igbo youth, we say no to extrajudicial killing. Enwere nwanne anyị bụọra nọ na-abụ abụ mgbe m nọ n'azụ ebe a o ji bana na-abụ abụ ahụ biko kedu ya ya gata ebe a ewere abụ ọ bụrụ oge a m chọrọ ka ewere abụ a wee muvuo.
Yes, we are live now. As you can see, Igbo youths gather in mass to protest against Ebubeagu Militia group. Ebubeagu that was set up by Fulani and the corrupt Igbo politicians to kill our people. As you can see, Igbo youths gather in mass to protest against this militia group called Ebubeagu. They said no, Ebubeagu must be ended in Igbo land. As you can see, Ebubeagu have killed many people in Igbo land, especially the Igbo youths. Igbo youths are rising up to condemn this militia group called Ebubeagu. They say no to Ebubeagu. They say Ebubeagu must end now. As you can see, this is happening live in Abia. Stay tuned. Yes, it's happening live in Abia. Igbo youths are protesting against Ebubeagu Militia group. As you can see, they say Ebubeagu must go. We don't need Ebubeagu here in Igbo land. Ebubeagu have killed many Igbo youths for nothing. So Igbo youths are saying no to Ebubeagu. You can see our mothers come out en mass to protest against Ebubeagu for killing their children, their youth. Igbo youths are demanding for Ebubeagu disbandment in Igbo land. They don't want Ebubeagu again. Ebubeagu have been killing innocent Igbo youths for no just cause. We are saying no to Ebubeagu. Ebubeagu must end now. That's what Igbo youths are saying. As you can see, they gather in mass to protest against this murderous Ebubeagu militia group. They are saying Ebubeagu must end in all parts of Igbo land. The killing of 14 youths in our mama recently by Ebubeagu militia group is nothing to write home about. And Igbo youths are coming out in mass to protest against these militia groups set up by Fulani and corrupt Igbo politicians. As you can see, they are protesting against Ebubeagu militia group. You can see our mothers came out in mass to protest against the killings of their children by Ebubeagu Militia group. They say no to Ebubeagu. Ebubeagu must end in Igbo land. This is happening live today, being 2nd August 2022 in Abia. As you can see, they are protesting against Ebubeagu. They say no to Ebubeagu Militia group in Igbo land. This is happening live here in Abia, Abia State. Happening live here in Abia. Igbo youth gather in mass. But our mothers, they are protesting against this militia group called Ebubeagu. They say no to Ebubeagu, that Ebubeagu must go in Igbo land. Ebubeagu have killed many innocent Igbo youths, and they are saying Ebubeagu must go. Go inside. Today is 2nd August 2022, and here is Abia. Igbo youth came out in mass to protest against the killings by Ebubeagu Militia group. As you can see, they came out in mass to say no to Ebubeagu. Ebubeagu have killed many innocent youths, and Igbo youths are coming out to protest against them. They say Ebubeagu must go. This is happening live in Abia. Igbo youth are protesting against Ebubeagu Militia group. They say no to Ebubeagu, that Ebubeagu must go in Igbo land. Ebubeagu have been killing many innocent Igbo youths, and Igbo youths are coming out to protest against this militia group called Ebubeagu. As you can see, Igbo youth came out in mass to protest against this militia group called Ebubeagu. They say no to Ebubeagu, that Ebubeagu must go in all parts of Igbo land. The recent killing of 14 youths in Awon Mama is a case study. This is what Ebubeagu have been doing in Igbo land. They are harvesting organs of Igbo youths, and Igbo youths are coming out to say no to Ebubeagu, that Ebubeagu must end. They are saying we don't need Ebubeagu in all parts of Igbo land. As you can see, Igbo youth came out in mass to protest against this Ebubeagu Militia group. They are saying no to Ebubeagu. Ebubeagu have been killing many innocent youths in Igbo land. And Igbo youth are coming out in mass, both our mothers, to protest against this militia called Ebubeagu. They say no to Ebubeagu, that Ebubeagu must be ended in Igbo land. Igbo youth came out in mass to protest against these Ebubeagu killings. As you can see, they are protesting. They are saying that Ebubeagu must go in all parts of Igbo land. We don't need Ebubeagu in anywhere in Igbo land. Ebubeagu has been killing many innocent youths, and Igbo youths are coming out in mass to protest against them. They say Ebubeagu must go. This is happening live in Abia right now today, 2nd August 2022. Igbo youths are protesting against the recent killing by militia group called Ebubeagu. They are saying no more Ebubeagu, that Ebubeagu must go in all parts of Igbo land. Ebubeagu have been killing many innocent youths. They are harvesting their organs. As you can see, Igbo youths are protesting against them. They say no more Ebubeagu in all parts of Igbo land, that Ebubeagu must go. We don't need Ebubeagu in anywhere in Igbo land.